Good afternoon. Welcome to day 315 at the EMA office, where I'm joined with the chairman, Mark Kern, and today we have Sam Bierman back from the health department. Sam?
Yes. So as of today, we have tested 242,831 St. Clair County residents, which is an increase of 2,247 from yesterday. We have 24,986 positive test results, which is an increase of 128 from yesterday. And that does include both males and females from under the age of 10 up to their 90s. Today, our daily county positivity rate is 5.7%, and we are at 217,845 negative test results. Unfortunately, we are announcing 5 additional deaths, which does bring our total for St. Clair County to 389. We have a male in his 70s, a female in her 80s, a male in his 80s, and 2 females in their 90s, all with unknown health conditions. And as always, our sympathies go out to their families. For those who have completed the 10-day IDPH isolation period, we are at 23,090. For state totals, 15,209,516 have been tested, and we have 1,093,375 positive test results, which is an increase of 7,042 from yesterday. And for deaths, the state is reporting 18,615, which is an increase of 95 from yesterday. For St. Clair County hospitalization numbers, currently we have 91 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 4 of them are on ventilators. Regionally, we have 175 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 11 of them are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities that are previously or currently in outbreak status, these are cumulative numbers, and we will only announce any facilities that have had changes. Cambridge House of O'Fallon has 20 cases and 1 death, and that is an increase of 1 case for that facility. Caseyville Nursing and Rehab has 161 cases and 11 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 death for that facility. Cedar Ridge of Lebanon has 169 cases and 20 deaths, and that is an increase of 4 cases for that facility. Cedar Trails of Freeburg has 33 cases and 1 death, and that is an increase of 2 cases for that facility. Integrity Healthcare Belleville has 96 cases and 4 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case for that facility. Mercy Rehab and Care Center in Swansea has 126 cases and 17 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case for that facility. And finally, we have Sycamore Village in Swansea. They have 33 cases and 1 death, and that is an increase of 2 cases for that facility. And now I will turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Sam, the numbers are looking a little better. The
They are.
hospitalizations are the lowest since December 10th.
I know.
So that's quite a long time ago.
Yes.
So
We keep our fingers crossed that these numbers are going to continue, and we will be seeing lower numbers in days to come.
and put needles in arms. That's the next step. We'll go into the zip code. In 62201, we're up 5 today to 533. 62203 up 3 to 551. 62204 down 1 to 357. 62205 up 4 to 572. 62206 up 11 to 1145. 62207 up 1 to 527. 62208 up 4 to 1411. 62220 up 17 to 1728. 62221 down 2 to 2,395. 62223 up 15 to 1494. 62225 up 1 to 126. 62226 up 25 to 2761. 62232 up 7 to 799. 62239 up 2 to 407. 62240 up 2 to 136. 62243 up 7 to 652. 62254 up 3 to 708. 62258 up 7 to 903. 62260 up 8 to 665. 62264 up 4 to 312. 62269 up 18 to 2,822. And 62285 up 2 to 472. 128 new positives today, with 2,247 tested, brings our daily county positivity to 5.7%. Great number. And as I said, the hospitalization's lowest since December 10th, and the rolling average today goes down, and it's at 8.7%. And if you can believe, that's the last time we had a number that low was November 2nd. So we're starting to, with the vaccinations and this virus taking its course, it seems that the numbers are headed in the right direction. But man, keep wearing those masks, keep watching the social distance, stay out of crowds, and wash your hands. Hopefully we don't have a holiday coming up too soon, because it seems like our spikes all started around Halloween, and then we rolled into Thanksgiving, we rolled into Christmas, we rolled into New Year, and finally we're now at a point where we don't have all the holidays that cause the gatherings, that cause the problems. So let's keep these numbers looking good. Regional positivity remains today at 8.4%. And remember, if we fall below 8 3 days in a row, then we can move on to the next phase of mitigation, and we'll be able to then open up restaurants to inside dining at 25% capacity. So we look forward to that. Let's just keep on going in the right direction. The rest of the region today, Bond County called in at 6.2%. Clinton, 7.6%. Madison, 10.2% today. Monroe is at 4.6%. Randolph at 5%. St. Clair, the lowest today, at 4.4%. Good job, Team St. Clair. And Washington County, 18.6% is the number today. So Herb, pretty good numbers day. We just got to keep doing what we're doing and get this mass vaccination site up and going, and we'll be in business.
And that's been the topic of the day, getting the site going. A lot of phone calls, the health department, Mila and Sam. I know I was glad to see Sam today. She got to get out of the office for a little bit, but it's been nonstop, and it's going to be that way as that mass test site gets, vaccination site gets set up and go. You're right, the numbers look good today. We just can't let up on it. We can't keep saying that enough. The sad number is the 5 deaths today, but we've got to just continue to do what we're doing. And Team St. Clair, just please, we're up to 41,390 citizens have signed up through the portal on the EMA page and health department and website. If you know anybody who hasn't done that, that's the smoothest way it's going to work. Get on there, fill out that brief form, the questionnaire. That's going to make the health department's job a lot easier, notifying the categories when it comes up when we get this vaccine in the county, the more of it. So please tell your friends, family, if they haven't done that, to go on there and get it done. It doesn't take any time at all to do that. And that's going to be a good day. Hospitalizations are really good. That's what really is helping us. So we'll keep pushing. 315 days. We're going to continue to be here. We'll be back with Cindy and Daisy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Hopefully, keep your fingers crossed. The numbers keep going in the right direction. Have a good evening.
I have battled this virus both professionally and personally. Professionally, I can tell you firsthand that it's greatly impacted our community, caused the loss of many lives, and continues to spread today. Personally, I can tell you that I contracted COVID-19, and it definitely is not the flu. This virus affects everyone differently, however, many have severe consequences. Please take this time to help your friends, your family, your neighbors, and the entire region by wearing a mask, washing your hands, and watching your distance. Together, we will overcome this invisible enemy.